Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you my January Ipsy bag and BoxyCharm box to unbox. Yay! Let's go ahead and just see what we got going on right now. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I am a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I am a makeup enthusiast, not a makeup artist, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below that you can check out. I know I did not have a video up on Friday. One, I wasn't feeling it, and I've always told you guys I would rather not post a video than half-ass one because that's not fair to y'all. And second, I really didn't have anything to record because all my stuff was coming in over the weekend. So yeah, here we are. But that being said, I do have my January Ipsy bag and BoxyCharm box here for us. So let's go ahead and just dive on in. I think I want to start with BoxyCharm first. If my face looks a little not full coverage, it's because I really don't have a lot of foundation on today. I just used a tinted moisturizer because I wore a lot of makeup over the weekend and my face did not like it at all whatsoever. Like, I have a breakout. I still have this crater right here. I have a lip zit. I have a crater here, and I think I'm getting another one right here. So my face was not liking all the makeup that I was wearing this weekend. So yeah, I try to go as light as possible. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and see what's in the BoxyCharm box first, because we've been starting off with Ipsy the past couple months. All right. This month's theme for BoxyCharm is called Boxy and Chill. You have the card, and this is what is on it. Well, of course, that's what's on it. This says what's in the box. All right, let's go ahead and start getting into this. Ooh, we have a lipstick from Bite Beauty. It is the Amuse Boucher lipstick with resveratrol. Is that how you say it? I don't know. Let's see what shade. This is in the shade Sangria. Yes. I actually just got my first Bite Beauty product from Sephora for my birthday, and I haven't tried it yet. It's actually coming in a video. I think I'm going to do it on Friday. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, it's got a bee etched into it. Ooh, it's got a nice smell to it. Kind of smells like sangria. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. That is real pretty. I am definitely going to keep this around because I went through a bunch of my makeup over the weekend and tossed a lot of stuff that didn't smell right or didn't look right anymore. So cool. This is from Briogeo. It is the Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. Huh, that's neat. Oh, Briogeo is cruelty-free. I did not know that. I've heard Tarte talk about this brand a lot. Like, she raves about it, but I didn't know if they were cruelty-free or not, and they are because they have the little bunny on the back. That is actually the leaping bunny symbol. I don't know why they have it so small. Okay. So, this has no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. It says, Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask is formulated with algae extract, panthenol, and a unique argan oil microcapsulation technology that visibly repairs and straightens damaged hair and split ends, enhancing the hair's resiliency, shine, softness, and hydration. That is awesome because my hair desperately needs it. All right, let's see what's next. The hubster is here and he's laughing. What is so funny? I'll be right back. He's looking at stuff on Facebook. He's looking at funny pictures on Facebook. All right. It looks like we got a eye pencil from the brand Starlooks. I am not sure if this brand is cruelty-free or not. I don't see a stamp or anything. So I'm going to have to check to see if it is. If it says it on the card, of course, you guys know I'll tell you. But if it's not on the card, I will pop it down the bottom of the screen. And it's in the shade Aurora. Ooh, we got 2 Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. Yay! I am so excited over that, y'all. I had to do it. Hold on. I had to buy it. I actually bought it from QVC. It's actually on sale. I'm not sure if the sale's still going on, but I got it off QVC on sale. So I had to buy it. It's really good. But I am excited to try these out. I have heard great things about these masks. Ooh, it is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. Let's see what this one looks like. I don't remember what this one looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. It's got like this nice mermaid-ish packaging. This is not bad. This is what I would call a Manny MUA palette because it's a bunch of copper tones. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. I don't know. It's a little meh for me. But that is what all was in the BoxyCharm box. So I'm going to see what is in the Ipsy bag for this month. All right, now it's time to see what is in my Ipsy bag for the month of January. I do have a couple outside items going on. So let's grab the bag first. Oh, this bag's pretty cute. It's a nice canvas bag. Print's pretty cute. It's all right. It's not wowing me, but y'all know I'm kind of hard to impress. This month's theme for Ipsy is New Year, more products, more focus on you. I cannot freaking talk. It says, welcome to our best year yet. We've got some big changes coming your way. Here's a sneak peek of what 2009 has in store. It says, fab new features where you can pick your passion. Now you can add up to 3 extra samples for your glam bag each month with add-ons and score fab full-size steals with Glam Bag Plus. New ways to personalize your picks. We are rolling out with a new beauty quiz and more beauty brands you love. All right. So I guess Huda Beauty, Benefit, It Cosmetics, Sunday Riley, and Glam Glow. Pretty cool. Even though Glam Glow is not cruelty-free yet. They still are not working on it. They're still not working on that fast enough. All right, so let's go ahead and see what is on the outside. I mean, that was outside of the bag. Ooh! We got a brush from SL Miss Glam, and this is the SB 68 little eyeshadow brush. That is pretty. At least I know this one's not used this time. All right. All right, we got 2 face masks from the brand, I guess, Jeju Ing. We have one that is, this sheet is bananas. And it is for hydrating. And then we have another one that says you can't handle this sheet. And this one is purifying. It has volcanic ash in it. This one has hyaluronic acid. Pretty cool. I got one more thing. Oh, it's another sheet mask. It is from Grace and Stella. I actually ordered this with my Ipsy points because the mask that they had in last month's bag, I absolutely love. The mud mask. Oh my god, it is so great. So this was part of the Ipsy points, so I use some of my Ipsy points to get it. It says reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and trust you me, your girl needs that. All right, we have a balm, a glossy balm from Jersey Shore Cosmetics, and this is in the flavor Star Mint. It is cruelty free. I heard that this brand has like ridiculously priced lip balms. Okay, we got a sample of the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour full coverage foundation. I've actually been wanting to try this. They gave me the shade Fair Sand. Hopefully that will work for me. Hopefully. So I'm excited to try this because I've been wanting to try this for a while. And then the last thing I have is from Hola Neon. It is a velvet liquid lipstick, matte, long-lasting, and moisturizing. Never tested on animals. And it is in the shade DF, like the letters D and F. Ooh, I like this packaging. That is nice. Doesn't really have a smell. Ooh, this is pretty. It's a little bit sheer, so you are going to have to build it up. But it's a pretty, like, berry brownish tone. It's really pretty. It's what I've been wearing a lot lately. All right, I am going to clean all this up, and we are going to talk about prices from the BoxyCharm box. Okay, let's talk about these prices from the BoxyCharm items. The Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Serum, or mask, whatever you want to call it. It is 2 ounces, and it's $16. It's a little steep, if you ask me, for 2 ounces. The Tarte palette is $36, which I always thought Tarte's palettes were kind of way overpriced with just how kind of boring they are sometimes. The eye pencil. Okay, it doesn't say if it's cruelty-free or not. This bad boy is $19. What is with these companies and mechanical pencils and retractable pencils being so expensive? I have NYX ones that are not even $6 that work amazing. And like I said, I don't even know if this brand's cruelty free or not. The Tatcha skin mask for 2-pack is $24. This brand is so good, but it is so stupid expensive. Crazy. And the Bite Beauty lipstick is $26. Yeah, that's a little steep too. But yeah, that is all that I have. I had version 9 of the box. But yeah, this liquid lipstick from Hola Beauty, is that what it's called? Hola Neon is pretty nice. I mean, it's not transferring. It looks more of like a stain when it dries, because as you can see, it's a little bit streaky. So you're going to have to build it up. You're probably going to have to put your first layer down, wait, and then put another layer down. I have to test it out, see if I like it. But yeah, I will have referral links in the description bar down below if you guys want to sign up for BoxyCharm or for Ipsy. I don't earn any money off these referral links whatsoever. They're just there for you guys if you want to sign up. And that's all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to pick up my glitter palette with Texas House of Glitters. We all know she is so gorgeous and looks like this. And I do want to say something, that you can only get these shades in this palette. None of these shades are sold as singles. You can only get these shades in this palette. I do have a discount code that you guys can use to save you guys a little money, and it is right here at the bottom of the screen. I do not earn any money off this discount code whatsoever. It is there for you guys to save some money. And as always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you know when I'm posting. Even though we all know I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Friday. Bye. About anything else? No. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you my unboxings for my, I don't think I like this lip color. Oh, it's orange